friends from Jamaica. Start with saying I'm honored, I'm grateful, but most of all excited for this opportunity. First impression of Jamaica is a very positive one. Nice reception from all people I meet. Spent a holiday with my wife maybe 10 years ago here, and probably that was one of the best holidays I've had. So, something said about me, I'm a little bit different than most coaches in a way that it isn't my income to be a coach in Iceland. Football is not professional, so the income comes from dentistry. But I decided a long time ago, if I had the chance to become professional, I would go and do that. So, like Mr. President said, it's my passion is football. So when I'm doing football, time flies. Forget to eat, etc., etc. So when I was looking for projects to coach the next time, I was really selective. It was not about the money, it was about the project. And for me, it was a perfect match to come now to Jamaica and to try to fix what is broken and always some obstacles we have to cross, and we have to improve some big things. But for me, it was a perfect match. I see so much potential here, and if I compare this one to the Icelandic project, I think the potential is much more here than it was in Iceland. So, really looking forward to start. Next year will be huge for the national team, starting with the Nations League match against Mexico, and then next summer in the Gold Cup. So, you've seen my story in the brochure, and I will bring 2 coaches with me in the staff. So I bring one assistant. His name is John Wall, a Swedish JFF elite coach, and he will be assistant coach alongside Marion Gordon, which you know. So he's a teacher, has a BA in sports science, coached at many levels in Sweden football. He was a tactical coach for the Finnish national team, which had a huge success. He's good in player development and really useful in the transition from helping the local players to get to a high standard and eventually and hopefully to the national team. He's a technology guru, owns a software company, or as a part owner in a software company, so he's really good in the technology now, particularly in football today, but above all, honest and a hard-working person. The other staff member I will bring with me here is Guðmundur Hreiðarsson. He will be our goalkeeper coach. I worked with Gumi 7 years with the national team. All the years I was there, he was the goalkeeper coach, and he is, in my opinion, one of the best ones I've seen. He has the highest education possible for goalkeeper coaches in Europe.